Hi everyone, welcome to 2019. It's been a big start to the year, and I'm already feeling the race and the rush and working really hard to slow down. Today's video is about the name on your contract or your client agreement or your quote. So how this has come about is from clients recently, and even as early as last week, I've worked out, or it's become apparent, that people don't really understand what they engage someone for their contract, and they certainly look to getting work underway. So in that rush, they produce an invoice, and on it they put the name of the person that they're billing, and the business relationship starts. So my point today is why should it not end there? The reason is that once a business relationship starts and you're busy delivering to the client, if something goes wrong, the relationship goes off the rails a little bit, you need to recover your fees, or you need to recover the amount that's owed to you, you then need to actually address it with the owner of the business, or the person that you have actually invoiced, and who you have shared your client agreement with, or who you have shared your business contract with, your business terms and conditions. So how do you do this? My advice to you is, and this is what I do, is I check the ABN of every person that I invoice, or that that is actually going to be my client, because I need to recover fees from them if they don't pay me. The easiest way to do this is to go on to the ABN lookup site. So into Google, you type ABN lookup, and a very easy page comes up that allows you to type in the business name that you are invoicing, and to get an idea then, or a confirmation of what the business structure and what the business setup of that particular person's business is. So they could be a sole trader, and that is what should be reflected in their information to you, and the information they gave you to put into your client contract or any other contract. ABN lookup is a really good start. It matters a lot what the business structure of a business is that you are interacting with, especially when it comes time to actually resolve a dispute or to write to them. You need to know who the legal entity is. If for some reason the ABN details do not match the details that the client has given you, then you must address it with them and say, look, your ABN does not match the business name, or even your business name is not registered. So you can check an ABN on the ABN lookup. You can type in a business name, or you can type in a person's name, and the search results that come up will tell you that or confirm that yes, this is the person you are dealing with, and yes, they have properly registered the business that they are operating under and whom you are invoicing. It's really very important that you have this, because then you will not, if your relationship with that business changes, so the person that you are actually dealing with leaves that business, and there's fees still owing, you've got to know who to pursue for those fees. Was it a partnership? Is that person still liable for the fees? If it was a partnership under a business partnership and both parties are sole traders, or was it a company, in which case the person themselves individually are not liable for the fees that are due to you. These are really important things that come up when things go wrong, or the relationship goes off the rails. And a very quick and easy way to be really certain who you are working with, or who is working for you, or who you are invoicing, is to ensure that you do an ABN search and make sure that all the details line up, that the information that that person is giving you lines up with the information that is properly registered on the ABN register. And sometimes people just forget, they forget, they start operating in a different tagline, a different business, and when you go on and have a look, you realize that business is not registered, or the person is not a sole trader, they're a company, but what the information they've given you to put into your client contract or your invoice is in fact now belongs to someone else, or is no longer operating. So it's really important to both you to ensure that you have everything in place so that if should something go wrong, you are able to pursue it with the right person. It's also very important to the other person, if you do find this information, to let them know so they can correct it. That's it for today. I do plan to do more Facebook Lives. It's been a while. And if you have any questions about this, you're more than welcome to contact me. If you have any questions about business setup and or how you're dealing with your clients, whether you have an issue and you need to sort out or confirm, or you need assistance with the ABN register, please let me know. My contact details will be in comments. Have a lovely day and talk to you next time. Bye for now.